Number 10. The Denver International Airport. The Denver International Airport has been a magnet for speculation since it opened in 1995. Skeptics point to its massive budget overruns and unusual artwork, including murals that some interpret as depicting a dark, apocalyptic future. The airport is also rumored to sit atop a vast network of underground bunkers designed to house the global elite during a catastrophic event. Number 9. The disappearance of Amelia Earhart. In 1937, pioneering aviator Amelia Earhart vanished over the Pacific Ocean, sparking one of the greatest mysteries of the 20th century. While the official record states she ran out of fuel and crashed, conspiracy theorists suggest more dramatic fates. Some believe she was a spy captured by the Japanese, while others argue she survived the crash and lived out her life under a secret identity. The lack of definitive wreckage has allowed these theories to flourish for nearly a century. Number 8. Paul is dead. One of the most bizarre urban legends in music history is the Paul is dead theory, which claims Paul McCartney died in a car crash in 1966 and was replaced by a look-alike. Proponents spend hours analyzing Beatles album covers for clues, such as Paul being barefoot on the Abbey Road cover or hidden backmasked messages in their songs. Despite McCartney being very much alive and active today, the theory remains a fascinating example of fan obsession and symbolic interpretation. Number 7. HAARP and weather control. The High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, or HAARP, is a research station in Alaska officially used to study the ionosphere. However, theorists claim the facility is actually a secret weapon used for geoengineering and mind control. They blame HAARP for everything from devastating hurricanes and earthquakes to sudden shifts in the political climate. The idea that a single antenna array could weaponize the Earth's atmosphere remains a staple of modern high-tech paranoia. Number 6. Chemtrails. The chemtrail theory suggests that the white trails left behind by high-flying aircraft are not just harmless water vapor, but chemical or biological agents being sprayed on the population. Believers argue these substances are used for various secret purposes, including solar radiation management, population control, or psychological manipulation. Despite atmospheric scientists explaining these as simple contrails, the sight of crisscrossing lines in the sky continues to fuel global suspicion. Number 5. The New World Order. At the heart of many modern conspiracies is the New World Order, the belief that a secretive, power-hungry elite is working to abolish national sovereignty and establish a single authoritarian world government. This theory often links international organizations, banking systems, and political summits as evidence of a coordinated effort to enslave humanity. It serves as a grand unified theory that ties together many other smaller conspiracies into one massive global plot. Number 4. The JFK assassination. The 1963 assassination of President John F. Kennedy remains the most debated crime in American history. While the official report named Lee Harvey Oswald as the lone gunman, a majority of Americans believe there was a broader cover-up. Theories implicate everyone from the CIA and the Mafia to Vice President Lyndon B. Johnson and the Cuban government. Discrepancies in the magic bullet trajectory and the Zapruder film continue to make this a cornerstone of government distrust. Number 3. The Illuminati. Though the Order of the Illuminati was a real secret society in 18th century Bavaria, conspiracy theorists believe the group never truly disbanded and now runs the world from the shadows. They are said to control the media, the economy, and the entertainment industry, planting their symbols, like the all-seeing eye. This theory suggests that the world's most powerful people are all members of a cult-like organization working toward a Novus Ordo Seclorum. Number 2. Flat Earth. Despite centuries of photographic evidence and satellite data, the Flat Earth movement has seen a massive resurgence in the digital age. Believers argue that the Earth is a stationary disk protected by a dome, with Antarctica serving as an icy wall around the perimeter. They claim that NASA and other space agencies use CGI and fisheye lenses to trick the public into believing the Earth is a sphere, all to maintain a lie that keeps humanity from understanding its true place in the universe. And number 1 is the moon landing hoax. The most famous conspiracy theory of all time is the claim that NASA faked the Apollo 11 moon landing in 1969. Skeptics argue the entire event was filmed on a secret Hollywood soundstage directed by Stanley Kubrick to help the U.S. win the space race. They point to supposed anomalies like the waving flag, the absence of stars in photos, and the lack of a blast crater under the lunar module.